Looking to turn artificial intelligence into a money-making tool? AI isn't just for big companies, anyone can start profiting from it. In this video, we'll explore how you can tap into AI and transform it into a reliable income stream. Stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more insights on how to make money with the latest technology. 1. Freelancing with AI skills. AI skills like machine learning, data analysis, and automation are in high demand on freelancing platforms. If you're proficient in AI, you can offer your skills to clients looking for custom algorithms, chatbot development, or data insights. Even if you're just starting out, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide opportunities to build your portfolio with smaller projects. By 2025, businesses of all sizes will increasingly seek AI freelancers to streamline operations and analyze data, making it a lucrative area to dive into. From predictive modeling to natural language processing, the scope of work is broad, allowing you to specialize in an area that aligns with your interests. 2. Creating AI-driven content. AI content creation is a rapidly growing area. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and DALL-E, you can use these tools to generate blog posts, social media content, marketing copy, and even images or videos. Businesses are increasingly looking for efficient ways to scale their content, and AI-driven solutions offer quick, cost-effective options. By mastering these tools, you can provide content creation services or even develop a side hustle selling pre-made content online. AI content creation is ideal for anyone who wants to leverage AI to produce high-quality content in minimal time. With many businesses outsourcing content to meet growing demands, AI-driven content creation has become a profitable opportunity. 3. Developing and selling AI models. If you have technical skills in machine learning, creating and selling AI models can be a profitable venture. Platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it easier than ever to develop models for specific tasks, such as sentiment analysis, image recognition, or recommendation systems. Once built, you can sell these models on online marketplaces or to businesses in need of tailored AI solutions. By 2025, the demand for niche AI models is expected to rise as companies seek ways to incorporate AI into specific processes. Developing AI models does require technical know-how, but it also offers high returns, especially for complex models that solve real-world problems. 4. Starting an AI consulting service. AI consulting is a booming field where experts help businesses understand how to integrate AI into their operations. As more companies recognize the potential of AI, they often need guidance to implement it effectively. If you have experience with AI technologies, consulting could be a profitable path. In 2025, industries like healthcare, finance, and retail will continue to rely on AI consultants who optimize operations and enhance decision-making. Consulting involves assessing a client's needs, designing AI strategies, and recommending the right tools. 5. Building AI-driven apps. With mobile usage at an all-time high, creating AI-powered apps can be a great way to earn passive income. AI apps can serve various purposes, from language translation to personal finance management. By leveraging machine learning algorithms to provide smarter, more personalized services, by 2025, consumer interest in AI apps is expected to skyrocket, with a focus on convenience and customization. You don't necessarily need to code everything from scratch. Platforms like AppyPie and Bubble make it easy to build apps with little to no coding experience. Monetization options range from in-app purchases to subscription models, allowing you to earn steadily. 6. AI-enhanced stock trading. AI-driven stock trading involves using algorithms to analyze market trends, forecast price movements, and make investment decisions. By using AI tools, you can potentially make more accurate trades and increase your earnings. There are already AI trading platforms available, but some traders prefer to customize their algorithms for specific strategies. In 2025, AI trading is expected to continue evolving, giving individual traders more access to tools that were once exclusive to financial institutions. Learning about algorithmic trading and machine learning can be beneficial, even if you're not a professional trader. 7. Automating online businesses with AI. AI automation can optimize tasks like customer support, inventory management, and marketing for e-commerce and other online businesses. By implementing AI-driven tools, online businesses can reduce overhead and increase efficiency, leading to higher profits. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon now integrate AI tools that allow business owners to automate complex processes with minimal manual intervention. In 2025, e-commerce businesses will rely even more on AI for personalized recommendations, dynamic pricing, and inventory predictions. By automating these tasks, you can scale your business faster and reduce operational costs. For entrepreneurs, automating an online business is a smart way to increase profitability without sacrificing quality. 8. Content monetization with AI analytics. AI analytics tools can provide in-depth insights into customer behavior, enabling you to optimize content for higher engagement and monetization. By using AI to analyze data, you can create content that resonates with your audience and increases your ad revenue or subscription rates. With platforms like Google Analytics, you can track visitor behavior, identify popular topics, and adjust your content strategy to maximize engagement. In 2025, AI-driven analytics will offer even more precise targeting, allowing content creators to better understand and respond to audience preferences. Whether you're running a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, using AI analytics to refine your content can lead to higher revenue. 9. AI-driven affiliate marketing. AI can boost affiliate marketing by personalizing recommendations and targeting ads based on consumer behavior. Using AI-driven tools, affiliate marketers can analyze data to determine which products are likely to resonate with different segments of their audience. In 2025, AI is expected to enhance affiliate marketing by offering more accurate data on user preferences and purchase behaviors. By leveraging AI, you can create dynamic ads that adjust based on real-time analytics, leading to higher click-through rates and conversions. AI-driven affiliate marketing is a practical choice for those who want to maximize their marketing efforts with minimal manual work. With AI's ability to analyze large data sets, you can quickly identify high-performing products and promote them to specific audience segments. 10. Using AI for social media management. Social media management with AI involves using tools to automate posts, analyze engagement metrics, and optimize content strategies. Platforms like Hootsuite and Sprout Social now offer AI features that simplify the process of managing multiple accounts. By 2025, social media management tools will include even more ad-driven capabilities, allowing users to schedule posts based on optimal engagement times and generate content ideas. Ad-powered tools help you stay consistent and relevant on social media, even with a busy schedule. These tools provide insights into what types of posts perform best and suggest strategies to increase followers and engagement. There you have the top ways you can make money with AI in today's digital world. Whether you're tech-savvy or just getting started, there's an option here for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos on turning AI into income.